by delta y. We get delta y divided by delta y is equal to delta c divided by delta y plus delta s is equal to divided by delta y. Now this is equal to 1, this is equal to 1. See, delta c divided by delta y is MPC, means change in consumption divided by change in income is MPC, plus change in saving divided by delta y means change in income is MPS. Now this is the relationship between MPC and MPS, means value of MPS plus value of MPS is equal to value of MPC plus value of MPS is equal to 1. Now see, MPC is equal to minus 1 minus MPS, and MPS is equal to 1 minus MPC. So I hope all of you have understood the relationship between MPC and MPS. Please pause the video and note down this. See, next topic, derivation of saving curve from consumption curve. This is the topic, derivation of saving curve from consumption curve. See, this is consumption. Consumption is measured on the y-axis. This is origin, and income is measured on the x-axis. Now this is one diagram and this is another diagram. See, saving is measured on the y-axis and income is measured on the x-axis. Is it visible or not? Yes, it is visible. See, now first of all we will show consumption curve. CC is the consumption curve, CC is the consumption curve, and OY is the income line. See, this is positive consumption, this is positive consumption at zero level of income. So means this is C bar. C bar represents autonomous consumption. C bar represents autonomous consumption, means autonomous consumption means minimum positive consumption at zero level of income. See, this is point E. This is point E. At point E, see, at point E, consumption is equal to income, means APC is equal to 1. APC is equal to 1. Because you know that what is the formula of APC? C divided by Y. Now at point E, C is equal to Y, so APC is equal to 1. See, now please draw a line from point E. See, now draw a line saving curve which is passes through this line. This is saving curve. This is saving curve. Now this is point R. This is point R. At point R, saving is 0. At point R, saving is, this is the x-axis and this is y-axis, and saving will be 0 at point R. So APS will be 0, because you know that what is the formula of APS? S divided by y, and saving is 0, so APS is equal to 1. See, this is negative portion. This is because see, this is origin and this is positive y-axis and this is negative y-axis. So this is negative portion. I mean saving will be negative here. Saving is 0 at point R and saving will be positive here. See, after this we will we see again we are trying to explain the derivation of saving curve. We are trying to explain derivation of saving curve with the help of consumption curve. With the help of consumption curve. See, in the above diagram, CC is the consumption curve and CC is the consumption curve and OY is the income curve. I hope this point is clear. In the above diagram, CC is the consumption curve and OY is the income line. See next point. See, at zero level of income, autonomous consumption is OC. At zero level of income, autonomous consumption is OC. See, at zero level of income, autonomous consumption means C bar. Autonomous consumption means C bar is equal to OC. At zero level of income, autonomous consumption is C bar means OC. It means see, because of autonomous, see, this positive amount is equal to this negative amount. See, this positive amount is equal to this negative amount. I hope all of you are understanding. See, this positive amount at zero level of income. At zero level of income, positive amount is OC, and zero level of income, positive amount is minus C bar. This is C bar and this is minus C bar. C bar represents autonomous consumption and minus C bar represents dis-saving, means negative saving. So this is the negative portion, means this is positive portion, and means OC represents positive value and OS represents negative value. So this is represent positive. That's why consumption curve is starting from positive y-axis. Consumption curve is starting from positive y-axis, but this value is negative. This value is negative means OS. That's why saving curve is starting from negative y-axis. Means point S. I hope all of you have understood. See, it means saving curve See, again this positive value is equal to this negative value, and positive value means at zero level of income. So that's why consumption curve is starting from from positive y-axis, and this is negative value. So saving curve is starting from negative y-axis. So negative y-axis. I hope all of you have understood. Now see, it means saving curve at zero level of income. So saving at right here, saving at zero level of income. See, it means saving at zero level of income is OS, which is dish saving, means represents negative value. OS represents negative value. So saving curve starts on the saving curve starts from the point S, starts from point S, which is on the negative y axis. Now I hope all of you have understood. This is positive value and this is negative value. This is positive value, that's why consumption curve is starting from positive y-axis, and this is negative value, so saving curve is starting from negative y-axis. See after this, see consumption curve. See consumption curve intersect income curve. See next point, consumption curve intersects income curve. Income curve at point E. At point E. See at this point. Income curve intersects income curve at point E. At point E. At point E, consumption is equal to income. Consumption is equal to income. So consumption is equal to income. So point E is break even point. Break even point. Listen, what is break even point? Break even point refers to that point at which consumption is equal to income. Consumption is equal to income and saving is 0. So APS is equal to 1 because consumption is equal to income, and you know that what is the formula of APC? C divided by Y. So APC is equal to 1 C here, and APS will be 0 corresponding to point A. APC is equal to 1, saving is 0. Saving is 0. Saving is 0. So saving curve intersects on the x-axis. x axis at point R, at point R, at point R. I hope all of you have understood. See, this is S point and this is R point. So saving curve intersects on the x axis at point R by joining the points S and R, S and R, and extended it further. See, by joining the point S and R and extended it further, we get a saving curve. We get a saving curve, means SS curve. I hope all of you have understood derivation of saving curve from consumption curve. First of all, you will show the consumption curve diagram. Then after, you will show saving curve with the help of this consumption curve diagram. See, after this, you will explain the derivation of saving curve from consumption curve. See, now again I am repeating. See, this is the positive value, means this is positive value at zero level of income. So this is autonomous consumption. That's why consumption curve is starting from the positive y-axis. And this is negative value. This is negative value, means at zero level of income. At zero level of income means minus C bar. Minus C bar means dis-saving, means negative saving, and C bar, positive C bar means autonomous consumption. So C bar is equal to minus C bar. C bar is equal to minus C bar, means this positive value is equal to negative value. So that's why saving curve is starting from negative y-axis, means from point S. After this, consumption curve starts. Consumption curve intersects income line, or you can say income curve at point E. At point E, where C is equal to Y, means APC is equal to 1. C corresponding to point E. Because of point E, or you can say because of break even point, saving curve, see, saving is 0. At point D, saving is 0, because you know that y is equal to C plus S, and saving is 0. Suppose if I am saying y is equal to C, so saving will be 0, and saving will be 0, then saving curve intersects at point R, which is on the x-axis, means saving will be 0 on the x-axis. So saving curve intersects on the point R by joining the point S and R, and extended it further, we get a saving curve. I hope this is the whole process, means this is the whole process of derivation of saving curve from consumption curve. First of all, you will show diagram, then after you will give this type of explanation. See, question is here, explain the process of saving curve from consumption curve. Then after, means in regarding this question, you will give this type of answer. I hope all of you have understood. Please pause the video and note down this.